Economic inactivity is a real challenge in the Ashfield and Mansfield area for a number of reasons. Organisations need to be working together, and it can be a challenge and really difficult for many reasons. There's so many systems, there's so many cultures in different organisations. To be honest, it's been a fabulous session. I've really enjoyed it, and I've got about 10 actions here that I'll be taking away from today. You know, there's many toolkits out there, and system thinking is a tried and tested process, you know, that looks at relationships and how systems can be used in order to be able to work together. What the session has done today is take us through the process,